Spanish for homeschoolers, los cuentos de hadas. Let's talk about articles. In English, the articles are the, and some. In Spanish, there are 4 different words for the English article the: el, la, los, and las. There are 2 ways to say un and una. There are 2 ways to say some, unos and unas. Articles are just boring adjectives. Instead of saying something cool like pretty or strong, they just say the or a. Still though, articles are important for telling you whether something is specific or not specific. For instance, I might say a chair, and you might ask me which chair, so I'd say the chair. Masculine is just a fancy word that means boy. The following are masculine articles: el, un, los, unos.
Wow!
Feminine is a fancy word that means girl. The following are feminine articles: la, una, las, unas. Plural is a word that refers to 2 or more things. The articles that end in s are plural. A singular word is a word that just describes one thing. El, un, la, and una are all singular articles. Since el and un are masculine and singular, they accompany masculine singular nouns. For instance, el príncipe, un príncipe. El unicornio, un unicornio. El caballo, un caballo. Since los and unos are masculine plural, they accompany masculine plural nouns. For instance, los príncipes, unos príncipes. Los unicornios, unos unicornios. Los caballos, unos caballos. La and una are feminine singular. They accompany feminine singular nouns. For instance, la princesa, una princesa. La sirena, una sirena. La tiara, una tiara. Las and unas accompany feminine plural nouns. For instance, las princesas, unas princesas. Las sirenas, unas sirenas. Las tiaras, unas tiaras. Not all of our nouns and articles follow the rules, though. Let's look at a few rule breakers. El hada is actually a feminine word, but it uses a masculine article when it's singular. So we have el hada and un hada in the singular, and las hadas and unas hadas in the plural. The word agua is also feminine but uses masculine articles in the singular. So we have el agua and un agua in the singular, and las aguas and unas aguas in the plural. We don't really say un agua or unas aguas, so we can cross those off. Let's see if you remember what you've learned. Which article would you use for biblioteca? Either la biblioteca or una biblioteca. Which articles should you use for castillos? Either los castillos or unos castillos. Which articles go with sirenas? Either las sirenas or unas sirenas. Which articles go with amigo? Either el amigo or un amigo. Which articles go with hada? Remember, this is a rule breaker. Either el hada or un hada. Which articles go with hadas? either las hadas or unas hadas. Adiós.